For the photography enthusiasts, Sony has just announced their brand new A7 III, the classy and stylish gadget that will leave you in awe. Experts at socialtomatoes.com have assessed the new A7S-III camera based on the performance and price of this new Sony product. 1. The matrix of this camera is 12.1 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS with a Sony E lens, along with video resolution of 4K. 2. It has a 10-bit 422 color coding and raw video of up to 60p with sensitivity as ISO 80 to 102,400, along with the 5-axis inline stabilization, which gets awesome pictures in all light and dark conditions. 3. Comparing it with the Panasonic S1H, Sony is banking on reliability with its native 4K up to 120p. On the other hand, the S1H offers a higher resolution of 6K. However, Sony has a much wider choice of codecs, options, and shooting speed options for 4K while having a 12-megapixel sensor. 4. Comparing it with the Canon EOS R5, it almost has the same features and benefits that you need in a model for stills and video. Nevertheless, if you are almost exclusively into videography, then the practicality of the A7S-III is more likely to suit you. 5. While comparing it with the Sony A7 III, if you need a camera for high-quality video, the A7S-III is beyond competition among all Sony cameras. However, the A7 III is much cheaper and more suitable for those who only like to take photographs. So what are you waiting for? Go grab this camera and become a videographer or photographer overnight. For more details, visit and subscribe to socialtomatoes.com for more on the latest technology and gadgets.